Hi, this is Jim Pinkham at MarineMax Lake Norman. We've got a Regal 32-foot bow rider for sale. This is a 2016 model. Currently parked in freshwater on Lake Norman. So you can see it's got a large swim deck. Let's step down into the boat. Very spacious cockpit area. Seats will fold down or face forward. This is powered with twin Volvo V8 engines, joystick control, has a stainless steel sink, trash can. Pull out storage drawer for your cooler. Bolster seats on captain and co-pilot chairs. Dual throttles. Garmin in-dash chart plotter. Fusion stereo system. And down here we have the head with the porcelain tank, glass sink. Move it up into the bow area. Again, ample seating. 3 cup holders on each side. Table mount on both sides. This does have a windlass anchor system. Stainless steel around the windshield. Solid water sport tower. This is a 2016 Regal 32. Give me a call, 704-997-2168, or come by MarineMax Lake Norman. Schedule a private showing. Thank you.